Jason here with JB Tow at one of my tow family places, Auto Pros Towing and Recovery here in Tampa, Florida. They were kind enough to let me use their truck after they got a set of blue Fat Boys from me. And we're gonna show you the 3 different straps you can use with the Fat Boys on a Jerr-Dan. You have your snap hook, you have your OE Jerr-Dan hook, and then my favorite, the finger hook. So we're gonna do the Jerr-Dan one first. If you look, the Jerr-Dan hole's way back here. So it's gonna be a real pain in the butt to get that in there. Plus, pull that out like that. Oh. You don't have to tighten it, but I do. So you're gonna take your Jerr-Dan hook, hook it right there where it would normally go. Not a big fan of these things. You gotta sit here and mess with the whole lasso thing and adjust your strap. I'll show you why in a minute. Well, I don't use these. So now you got that there. You gotta adjust your strap. So now you got your Jerr-Dan strap hook in, nice and secure. You got your bone in there. If you look, we're using this hole right here. My favorite one to use. I think it's so much easier. Just my personal opinion. Actually, I need to ask him. He uses a D-ring strap, which is one I don't use on a Jerr-Dan. I'd like to see how he does it though. So, we're going to take this. Let's reposition this. And I'm doing this all while the tire is still on there. So, now I've changed it to the hole up. Tighten it down. This is my favorite way. Drop that in there like that. Come around the top. That is a finger hook strap with the Fat Boy wheel lift adapter. If you can come over here, sir, so they can see where I put it. You got these holes here. You can even use this hole if you want to. This is my favorite hole because then you're not getting it that curve around. So we're going to show you the snap ring strap now. Look how easy that popped out. Damn, you're on the road. The snap ring strap, what we do is, come over here, my friend. Snap ring strap goes here. Then over the top. Nice and neat, nice and snug, hooked into the Fat Boy wheel lift adapter, not way up under here, out here where it's nice and secured. And it's all in. Over here you can see how the snap ring is nice and straight. So that is the 3 different ways and the 3 different straps you can use with the Fat Boy wheel lift adapter. I'm not a big fan of the OE strap. That's why I like the finger hook strap. Easiest and favorite, because as soon as you pop this off, it falls out and off you go. Roll it up, throw it back in your box. Nothing does it better, nothing does it safer than Fat Boy wheel lift adapters.